Hi everyone, this is Jharna. As kids begin to speak, channelizing their energy and giving them apt sources of learning is crucial. That's why I'm glad I purchased these amazing early learning flashcards for my little ones that turned out to be very helpful. These are a set of 15 flashcards. It includes vegetables, numbers, alphabets, flowers, first words, body parts, actions, birds, animals, fruits, vehicles, professions, country flags, and color and shapes. Basically, it has everything that children need to learn and recognize at a young age. These are two-sided cards, where the front side has a picture of the object and the other side has a description. My little boys enjoy guessing, recognizing, and look forward to their learning time with these cards. It measures 1.5 by 10.3 by 16.5 centimeters and weighs 2 kilograms in total. Each of these flashcard sets can be easily carried, and they make for great activities both indoors and outdoors. They're good for education, entertainment, and skill building.